Well, hello everybody. I am back with another thought-provoking video. Now, I thought Valentine's Day is the perfect time to jump back on here, get back into the groove, do another Valentine's Day tutorial so you can wear some pretty makeup for your sweetie. You know what I mean, sweetie? Now, I thought that I would totally celebrate being out of the woods with this UTI by making you guys a special, beautiful Valentine's Day video. Oh, I have some new broochies from Morphe too. Shout out to the Morphe store at the Mall of America. I don't feel like opening all these right now. Oh God, the privilege of that.
I don't feel like opening all these brand new brushes.
They better all be individually fucking wrapped. So yeah, while I unwrap these, I thought it would just be a really, really fun idea to jump back on here, do a fun and funky fresh kind of Valentine's Day look for you guys. I've seen a lot of people jumping online doing some fun looks, so I'm just gonna do a conglomeration of gigarama, throwing a bunch of stuff that I've seen together that is Valentine's Day inspired and fun, and let's put it on my face. Oh my God. This is just a menagerie. It's not even the word I was looking for. All right, well now that we have them all open, let's jump into this tutorial. So for today's video, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Pride Collection palette. So it's got lots of fun colors in there, so it's gonna be perfect. It's got some pinks, purples, no blue, white, you know, all that good stuff that you need for Valentine's Day. Red. So I still have some like wet foundation on my eyelid, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this fluffy brush that isn't supposed to be used for a lid. No. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take this brush. It's the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna tap into this pink, and we're just gonna slam this all over my eyelid. Holy McGee, Batman. If you're looking for pigment, you came to the right place. By the way, if you have this palette and you want to use all the same things, this is the shade Sexuality. This color should just be called pink. Now I'm gonna tap into the shade Heart, which is kind of like a lighter, peachier pink. I would have preferred like a lighter pink, but it's whatever. Oh, no, that's good. I'm just gonna use that to kind of blend this out up into the brow. Use that to blend out right here. The inner corner. I forgot how pigmented this palette was. Bring this with me more often, Becky. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush with nothing on it just to really blend out those edges. I'm already in love. This look says, I'm at the nurse's office with pink eye in 7th grade. We're just gonna use this good old. I'm gonna take some of no, this isn't Drug Lord. This is C0 Concealer from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take this Morphe M224. Do they all say that? No. Morphe M224 brush, and I'm just gonna use this to curl my crease. And we're gonna do kind of like a halo eye, because, you know, Valentine's Day and angels. So right after those words escaped my lips, I realized Valentine's Day has nothing to do with angels, but. Go back in with that brush that we used the color Sexuality with on the other pink, Heart, and just use that. Blend that inward. Actually, while we're on this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up under the brow with some white as well. Ew. That one brush hair like jumped ship real fast. All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. Duh. Actually feels really nice to be filming a video again. It's kind of therapeutic in like a rushed and overheated kind of way, you know? It's raining outside. I have a couple things I have to film as well tonight, so I thought, you know, let's do a video. All right, that pink gigarama is on there, and I'm cooking Miss Honey. Now we're gonna tap into the same palette into the color Milk. It is a white, and we're just gonna set all those areas. Now we're gonna go ahead back in with this floofy brush. We're gonna tap into the color hashtag Love Wins. It's a purple, and we're just gonna slam that underneath of the lash line on the bottom. And And when you're doing your under eye, make sure you always accidentally stab yourself in the under eye area because your tears of rage act as an amazing primer. I'm just like not the happiest camper with this pink purple, like the differences between them. So I'm gonna tap it on my mini Controversy palette and I'm gonna use this shade Controversy under my eye just to see if we can get a little bit more differentiation from pink to purple, you know what I mean? But I think, yeah, I think this is the direction we were wanting to go in. Just going back in one more time and really getting into that lash line tight with the purple and blending down. Mother effer, this is a process. Yeah, I think this is the gig. Now this look, I'm trying to do like a real good bitch brow, so we're gonna go ahead and just fill in these brows, finish them off with a dark brow powder. It's critical that on Valentine's Day, your brows make you look super unapproachable. Perfect, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. So you know we gotta get a little bit more intense up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and we're just gonna line the upper lash line. My least favorite part. All right, now that that's dry, we're gonna go ahead and give ourselves a little cat eye. Bitch, that looks good. It's like one of my best ones. All right, now we gotta get a little mascara on there because gotta make these not look like crusty crusts. So let's go ahead and pop some mascara on. And today I am gonna line my under eye with a nude pencil just to make them look a little bit more open. And this is just a Makeup Forever pencil in a nude shade. I'm not using white, it's a nude. Just so it's not like too intense. Now we'll go ahead and throw some mascara on that lower lash line. Now that we got a lot of fun stuff going on with the eyes, we're just gonna go ahead and pop on some contour and highlights to the face. I'm just gonna go ahead in with my Anastasia contour kit and just kind of revamp the contours of the face. And now that we got those contours on there, let's re-highlight the face. Lovely. You wouldn't have a runny nose by the time you're done contouring your nose. Now, if you're just going for a normal, pretty, you know, kind of still over the top Valentine's Day look, you can stop here, but you know what? We're gonna turn it up a notch and have a little bit of fun. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and tap into these colors, Sexual and Life, to live a sexual life. And we're gonna turn this into a blush, and we're just gonna bring this look to a 20 out of 10. And now that we are blushed to the gods, we're gonna go ahead in and give ourselves some nude, happy Valentine's Day hearts on the cheeks, and I'm gonna be using my P. Louise base in the shade 2. And you know, I am doing these freehand. I could have used a stencil, but... Now we're gonna go ahead in and apply a lip, and I'm gonna be using a nude lip for this look just because we got, you know, a lot going on. I'm gonna be using Starfish liquid lipstick from Anastasia. And now we're just gonna go ahead and throw on a little gloss. almost forgot, we want to go ahead and add a little sparkle darkle right here in our inner corner. So I'm just going to take my MAC Soft and Gentle and just pop that right here in the inner corner. And I'm thinking I want it even a little bit more than that, so I'm just going to tap into my Makeup Forever Stardust and hit that right there as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Night and day. Night and day. Alright guys, well that about wraps up the makeup portion of our video, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some contacts, lashes off camera, and get into our final looks, and let's see our Valentine's Day transformation. Alright guys, well that wraps up my Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys loved it. I am feeling the spirit, okay? I think this came out really, really cute. Today's video, actually, the jewelry is sponsored by Alexis Bittar, so make sure you check out Alexis Bittar. I got the earrings, can't really see them behind my hair. I didn't glue down my lace, so... Got this choker and this really, really cute bracelet. Let me show you. Actually, I got a couple bracelets. They're all kind of like bangles. They're real, real cute. I couldn't wear all of them though because they're blue and purple and it didn't really match, but they're super, super cute. This is, actually, I used to have an outfit that these would go frickin' perfect with. I don't have it anymore, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look and happy Valentine's Day. And as always,
Yes.